We are in our Leila Fletcher book, Level 1, and we're on page 12. We're going to play Off to the Circus. Now this little tune is just for the left hand, and we are going to be putting our thumb on middle C, and we're going to just play A, B, and C. Those are our notes for this song. Okay, we're in 2/4 time, 2 beats in a measure, and our quarter note's going to get 1 count, and I want you to say the letter names with me as we play. 1, 2, ready, go. C, B, A, B, C, B, A, B, C, 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 B, A, B, C, B, A, B, C, 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 C. Practice that 3 more times and you'll have it.